In this video, we will talk about the transport model. But what is a transport model? The general problem of transportation refers to the distribution of goods from any set of supply centers, called origins or source, to any set of reception centers, called destination, in such a way that the total cost of distribution are minimized. Each source must distribute certain units to the destination, and each destination has some demand for units that they must receive from the source.
As can be seen, any transport model consists of units of a good to be distributed. M origins, M destination, resource at origin, demand on the destination, and distribution cost per unit. Additionally, there are several assumptions. Assumption of requirement. Each origin has a fixed supply of the units that must be distributed completely among the destinations. Cost assumptions. The cost of distributing units from any source to any destination is directly proportional to the number of units distributed. Ownership of feasible solutions. A transport problem has feasible solution if and only if the sum of resources in the M origins is equal to the sum of demands in the destinations. Ownership of integer solutions. In cases where both resources and demands take an integer value, all basic variables of any of the feasible basic solutions also assume integer values.
A CFE factory which makes transformers makes its product transformers in 3 plants and look up to 4 distribution centers. The company distributes its creation through the 4 distribution centers located in various cities: Chilpancingo and San Luis Potosí and León, whose demand for X is as follows. On the other hand, the unit cost of each of the routes are shown in the following table.
A. We elaborate a diagram in which it shows the logistics of the transport and indicates the cost of the transfer. B. How many variables are there in the problem? C. How many restrictions does the problem have? D. What will be the best cost for the transportation network? For the transport model, we must first locate the origin and the destination. The origin is also as representing as the supply and the destination as the demand. In the diagram, we have 3 origins and 4 destinations, starting from Mexico City to Barrio. As the next source of the river mouth to Barrio, Chilpancingo and San Luis Potosí. As the next and last origin, Yucatán, bound for San Luis Potosí and León. Now that part A is well explained, which is the diagram shown, the following questions will be answered. B. How many variables are there in the problem? 12 variables. C. How many restrictions does the problem have? 7 restrictions. D. What would be the best cost for the transportation network? $55,000.